Putin's soldiers had no idea they were invading Ukraine until they took return fire from Kyiv forces, an ex-paratrooper in the Russian army has revealed in an explosive new memoir. The 33-year-old Pavel Filatiev says his elite unit was moved to the border with Ukraine after he had seen talk of a planned invasion in the world's media, but that they were sent in with no warning that they'd be facing enemy forces. His memoir also tells how he was given a rusty machine gun and an ill-fitting uniform, and that his comrades were wiped out because they were using our grandfather's tactics. He said he woke up to the sound of gunfire in the back of an army truck crossing the border at 2 a.m. on February 24, the day the invasion began. Filatiev asked, "Are we firing at advancing Ukrainians? Where we were going and why wasn't clear. It was clear that a real war had begun. I found out, we had orders to go to Kherson." As shelling started and Ukrainian soldiers began firing at Russian vehicles, Filatiev said he realized he had invaded the neighboring country. He added, "It became clear that we had attacked Ukraine." In an explosive new book, Filatiev has highlighted appalling shortcomings from ill-fitting uniforms to army medics without syringes or painkillers. The paratrooper was part of the original botched invasion, but soon quit on medical grounds. The lack of preparation began when he was issued an ill-fitting second-hand uniform. He said, "I refused to accept a used uniform that didn't fit, which is why my relationship with the command began to deteriorate. Training for the war led to many servicemen getting sick because they did not have the proper uniform. At night, it was below zero and we were driving in uncovered KAMAZ trucks. Many of the servicemen didn't have warm clothes, some hadn't received any, others refused to accept them. Within a week, about 30 servicemen from my unit were admitted to the infectious diseases unit. All those who were ill had been on the bungled training jumps in annexed Crimea," he said. "All of our training was only on paper, our technique was hopelessly outdated," he said.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.